Hello everyone, it's Miss Wallace here. I hope you are all keeping well and safe. Today we are going to be looking at completing a short multiplication question. Okay, now some of you may know this as column multiplication because that's what it looks like, but we initially call it short multiplication. So we are going to look at 314 times by 5. Okay, so when we write this down, we put 314 on top and we are multiplying it by 5. So we write 5 underneath. Okay, now when we do this question, we are going to multiply each of the digits of 314 individually by 5 and write our answers underneath. So let's have a go and see what this looks like. So first of all, we always start with the ones column. So in this case, the digit is 4, so we're going to multiply the 4 and the 5 together. And 4 times 5 gives us 20. So we're going to write the ones digit in the answer, and we are going to carry the tens number over, which in this case is 2, because the answer was 20. Now we need to remember this 2 for when we multiply the next digit along. So now we're going to multiply the 1 by the 5 because we've moved on to our tens column. And we know that 1 times 5 is 5, but then we must remember to add this 2 on underneath, which gives us 7. Okay, next we are then going to move on to the hundreds. In this case, it's a 3, so we're going to multiply 3 by 5. Now we know that that is 15, and there is nothing to carry over, so we can just write 15 in there. So our answer is 1,570. So 314 times by 5 is 1,570. Okay, now just some little top tips to help you and to remind you going through these types of questions. Okay, so remember to write your numbers in the right columns with the number you are multiplying by underneath. In our case, it was 5, so we wrote 314 on top and then the 5 underneath. You need to remember that you are multiplying the top number by the number underneath, and you are multiplying each digit separately. We then always start multiplying the bottom number by the ones, the number in the ones column, then we move on to multiply the bottom number by the tens column, and then multiply the bottom number by the hundreds column, and so on. If you have a bigger number, you then may go on to the thousands and the tens of thousands and so on. Now remember, if your answer has 2 digits, then you need to carry the tens digit over to the next number, and remember to add that on at the end. I hope this has helped you today, and hopefully I will see you all very soon.